It's a beautiful morning, and I'm back in Buggy, Maine. Been working on a lot of the edits for the footage from Arizona and Utah. It was so dry out there. It's so great to be back in the moisture. We had a couple days of rain, and I've been trying to get as many of the edits as I can done because I've got some touring that's going to come up for the summer soon. This edit for Water Canyon came out really nice. It was such a nice day, that day that I hiked up there. And I actually met a fellow juggler, amateur juggler, who sells real estate out in Utah. But he was a pretty hardcore hiker. He had been up in the Himalayas and had some incredible stories. And I brought back some of the Navajo sandstone with me. So these are actually, you can see all the iron that's in the sandstone. They are, I was hoping that I might be able to do some contact juggling with these. But as soon as they start rolling, they're not very stable because of that iron, I guess. So each one has a different balance to it. And they're nice and solid, can juggle them in the wind this summer. And I found out that there's quite a lot of this sandstone on Etsy. A lot of people selling it marked up quite a bit. I was able to get these at probably half the price that you'll find on Etsy. Anyway, I'm going to show you the edit for Water Canyon. Here we go. Sudden change of plans. Our one of our hosts, Cindy, she recommended this Water Canyon, which is a local hike, and the sun just popped out. I was heading to the store to get some food, but hey, this place is a local track, and it's known as Little Zion. So I'm going to take a quick detour, head up here, see what I can find. So I took a picture of the trail. There's a place called White Domes. It's about a mile and a half in. I figure it comes to a T. If I can get that far, it'll be a sweet little ending to this trip in Utah, northern Arizona. Sometimes these are the best finds because they're the ones that the locals know about, and there's not a lot of people here. Maybe 20 cars in the parking lot at best, but the trails just go all the way. Can all go all the way to Zion. So I'm sure everyone's spread out. I'll probably hard to see anybody. And there'll be no problem. Flying the drone will be no problem. Finally spotted an arch. Sweet. I'm a half hour up so far, and now we're getting to the business. to the nice waterfall section, and I'm quite happy with this because I'll be able to get some great drone shots over these boulders. It's just a handful of folks up here, but from here going up, I think it's necessary to have some equipment with you. These guys have some ropes and things.